Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to disable recommended troubleshooting on Windows May 10, 2019 update. Click Start, Settings. Click Update and Security. Click Troubleshooting. Click Recommended Troubleshooting Settings. Select Fix Critical Problems for me. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.